What up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's all what are these things? It's all content creators, YouTube people always say. But yeah, we're back again this week just to give you an overview, or most probably just the feedback, or keeping you updated with regards to what the Myforexfunds account is doing, and even the funded account per se specifically. So we're currently up 4.7%, 0.47%. How I wish to get above 4.7, but it's no problem. So currently we are above break even. It's all good. That's what we're happy for at the moment, and now we're trying to push to get it all above break even, or even maybe 1% or 2%, or whatever we can get, just to make sure that we get to a point of getting a fund, the payout. So now the challenge is to make sure that we do qualify for a payout, and that's all that matters. So the payout is still 75% of the profits that you make, and also 112% of the refund. So for $49, we're gonna get 112% of it. So it most probably, if you do the math, yeah, you'll do the math. But just to do the math for you, I think we're gonna get $54.88, and then 4% of the first phase profit, which is 4% of 400. So it would literally be $16, and then we're gonna get 2% of the $200 of the second phase, I think, and then $200, it's gonna be $4. So we might get on about $70-80 yeah, for the refund. That's without the payout of the profits you're gonna get, just making sure that I state that. But you will see the email as soon as we qualify for a payout at day 31, and as long as we make sure that we keep this above $5,000. So now question is, will we get a payout? Most probably yes, and I will make sure that I will try to continue with what I have put in place, which is 0.25 to 0.5% of the account balance, meaning that our risk is no longer now 1%, it's 0.5% to 1%, but it's now quarter of a percent and 0.5% of the initial account. So at the moment, I think what I've been doing was to just get it, I'd be calculating based on $5,000 rather than calculating based on the balance, so which is something I need to do. I use an app called Nash Market to calculate my lot size, but I will show it when I show the balance of the account right now. So currently, yeah, this is what we have. Win rate is literally low, but it's no problem, we're gonna keep it up. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you updates of the account every Friday, and then Saturday would be market review, market outlook review. So whatever that we analyzed, we will keep an update, give an update on a Saturday, and then Sunday it's a market outlook for the next week. So that's the schedule for the videos now coming from next week until. But yeah, just now switching to the charts, let me show you where we currently are. Give me a moment just to fix this phone. So this is the app called Nash Market, as you can see here at the top. It's called Nash Market. So as you can see. In fact, yeah, at the top it's called niche markets. So you just literally just put in your balance 1%, do say most probably what you're trading, and then if you're gonna say short or long, and then your stop loss price or your pips, maybe let's just say 30 pips, and then profit is 60 pips, and you click calculate, and from there you will get from the lot size to your stop loss to your take profit, also the percent that you're risking and the percent that you're gonna gain, along with the risk reward. And yeah, and then I think from there you could share to someone, or yeah, do whatever you want to do, but I'll make a video specifically for risk reward as time goes. So currently we are in 3 trades. Let me just show you. We're in 3 trades, which is USD CAD, a sell. You can see it's break even, and GBP USD a buy, still break even too, and then USD CHF also a buy and at break even. And just in case you want to know how we got into this, go to last week's analysis, go to last week's market overview, or just go to the description, click on the check our Instagram account, go and follow it, and you will see the updates we always put there. So currently the account is running at 5,023, as I've already shown you on the dashboard, but currently this is what we have, and I will just show you why and how did I take this trade. Most probably from next week I am gonna just have a mini series where I'll also just show you when I take this trades, what am I looking for. But yeah, if you do want more or less go to a funded trader, we can do that. Just please do comment if you want to see more of this type of content, and if you do have any request, again, just comment. So I'm done on the phone. We'll show you this is what we have. Why did we enter this trade? It was based on this double top here and going and seeing more bearish momentum, and price came back, and then that's when it shut down. And then the next one was GU. We had, in fact, let me bring back the phone and show you last week's performance so that you don't think it's all good and everything. Last week was bad, pretty bad. As you can see, we had losses back to back, but I think it was more emotional more than anything, and these 2 trades, which is both USDs, are, I think I was just going for the sake of the money that I was going to get, rather than focusing on the fact that they are this pay, in fact, it's not on my watch list. So as to why I went there and started back testing it and look into it, I'm not so sure, but it's okay. We learn, we go back and to understand how can we do this thing differently. So this is what we have, and currently this is where we are. So just to show you that we don't really have to think that all traders always have like green weeks and so forth, but as you can see, how I started this was very, very good, because these are the wins we got, and we also had a very big win because we had 3 trades running on UAUD, and yeah, that's the good part of it. I'll just show you. You'll see that with UAUD we had very, very good trades. We had 224, and this was just risking 1%. And if you want to know how we got it, I think we can go to our Instagram. There is a reel that showed you how we got this, but also with the previous market outlook you can go. But currently this is where we are, and if you don't know why and how we ended up with this, I think a link will show here on the screen somewhere, where you're gonna be able to just click and go and watch that video as to how did we get to analyze this pair, or all these pairs that we have, because we have I think it's like 5 pairs that we have that are that are all analyzed. So yeah, I think this is all it currently. Let us keep or bear in mind that the market will not always be all sunshine, we are going to get these days where things are not going to be as much as we want them to be, but we just need to make sure that we stay focused and understand that we will always bounce back. And things, that's it from our side. Please keep safe.